Hi everyone! I hope you're all doing well. I'm Angelica Antonakis and this is
Valeria,
my daughter. And today we're going to show you a recipe for Easter. We're actually going to make Greek Easter cookies, Koulourakia, right?
Yeah.
You can find this recipe in my first book called It's All Greek to Me, that's coming on in Amazon. It is a book that tries to show Maria, the hero, how she can fall in love with Greek culture and Orthodox culture, and how she can immerse herself in the traditions of her family. So It's All Greek to Me is coming out, and we are going to showcase the step-by-step guide on how to do Koulourakia, Greek Easter cookies.
I love cookies.
Ingredients, Valeria, what are we gonna need today? We're gonna need...
First, you're gonna have 100 grams of orange juice and 100 grams of milk. You're gonna need the orange peel, and you can shave it off. And you're gonna need 2 eggs.
Of course. We're also gonna need 800 grams to about a kilo of flour. You will see depending on how your dough looks. You will need 300 grams of granulated sugar, 250 grams of very good quality butter melted, and a little bit of like a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a little bit of salt just for the extra taste.
And you'll also need 2 vanillas.
Exactly, 2 vanillas. Thank you.
First, we put the sugar.
And the melted butter, and we let it beat together until it becomes really fluffy.
Egg. We have 2 eggs.
And the vanilla so that this smells beautiful. I'm adding the baking soda to the orange juice. I'm mixing and then adding to the mixture.
And I'll add the baking powder and salt because it's all going to mix together in the end.
And let's scoop it together.
Mix well and then add into the mixture.
Little by little, and now your milk as needed. Your dress as well. Make sure you wash your orange before and slowly start adding your flour.
It'll start to become more doughy.
And if needed, we add some milk. Oh.
That's a little too much.
Do our hands squeaky clean.
Wash it.
And we add wax paper to our pan. Do again a squiggly worm and turn it all around and make like a little O.
If my favorite shape to make is a smiley face.
You can also do more of like a braid. So you squiggle it a couple of times around. The Greek A, or like a gamma, or like a Greek letter. And then there's the very simple one, just a stick, like and then it will become fluffy and big in your oven. You'll see. And we take them out.
Yeah.
Right? You don't want to play with the dough too much because a lot of oils will come out. But if that happens, you can also take a little bit of your flour that you kept there, put it on your dough and continue working with it. You don't want to place them too close together because they're going to touch and get glued together.
Social distancing. And you want...
We are now done. We've made 2 pans and our dough is all used up. Valeria, don't eat it, it has raw egg.
Yeah. And then you can use a paintbrush, a spatula, anything that you can like apply to. And then you just want to add it on.
Because that's going to give it more of a color. You don't need to put a lot, just a tiny bit, just touch it. It's, let's say, your highlighter for your cookies.
Oven to 360 and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes depending on how fast or slow your oven is. Here you go, the final result. You can see how there's a caramel glaze on them from the egg. My favorite thing to eat them with is milk.
So you want your cookie to be hard on the outside but soft in the inside.
It's
delicious. You can see we have all different shapes and sizes, and perfection isn't the goal here. The goal is to cook with your children, immerse them in the culture, the tradition, the food. I hope you get to all make it with your kids, and I hope you also get to read the book to them. It's all Greek to me. It's all Greek to me. Your children will identify with the characters in the book. And another one will also be coming out soon. Please join us on our channel. It's all Greek to me as well for all the other recipes found in the book. The characters do cook a lot, and you will find a lot of tips and tricks in there. Thank you.